In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate struts on this Volkswagen Jetta Wagon. This is going to be located on the back of the liftgate. Let's get into it. Now, before you take this off, you want to support the liftgate. Either have an assistant hold it for you or using a pull jack and support it. And we're going to take a pick, just get underneath here, get underneath the clip. This one's a little bit rusty. Take that clip off or just pull it back so that it's in a service position. And just grab that, pull that down. And we're going to do the same to the bottom. Just use a pick, get underneath the clip. That's the way it should look. Pull that off. Take the new one, clip that in place. Just rotate this. So it lines up. And clip that in place. And you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.